Hello TNR Racers, it's Buzz here from Coast Outdoors. I thought I'd put this video together as a quick tutorial on how to register your TNR results and how we can compete with one another. Basically, if you head to coastoutdoors.ca, on this homepage you'll see TNR Races. You click inside of that and you should find all the information you need to get up and running, but I'll just show you what we have here anyway. So just real quick, the first thing, this top box is going to be where we put the registration for each race. So as you return to this page, this will say week 1, week 2, week 3, but either way you'll need to click this register button here, then you go through to WebScorer, sign in, and then put yourself onto whatever category you're competing in, and get into the race that way. So that leads me on to the next point. We are only entering TNR race results and data via WebScorer this season, so it won't be a spreadsheet. Moreover, what we also have is a WebScorer app only way to register your results. So that means that you need to have a WebScorer account, and you also need to have the mobile app downloaded. If you click this button here, you'll have access to the links to download it for iPhone, Android, and whatnot. And that's basically it. So once you've registered for the race, you can do that on PC and laptop if you want, and you've downloaded the app, and then you sign into the app on your phone. What you'll see is something like this. So let me just show you. This is the home page of the app. If you're going to record your race results, all you have to do is click race with self-timing, because that's what we're asking you to do with your self-timing this year. My upcoming races, because you've already obviously registered for it and the first step that I explained. The race will come up in here, so you just click that, and then you have two things. So you start the race, then you end the race, and that's how you log the time. So just click that top button there, scan code for start. And you'll get an option to either scan a QR code, that's what this image thing is here, but the easiest way to do it is just to click this green button on the bottom. That will start the timer going, and then click this second one here, scan code for finish, and you'll either have the option to scan a QR code, or the easier option would be to click this green button on the bottom to stop the timer going. You might get a message like this: record time without QR code, whatever. Race organizer will be notified. Don't worry about that, just go ahead and click record time, that's fine. And that's basically how you enter your time. Now you can change your time, because obviously it'll take a little bit of time for you to pull your mobile out from your pocket, put it back in your pocket. Maybe it'll be wet, maybe you'll be fumbling around, maybe it's all sorts of things can happen with your mobile. So thankfully there is an edit feature inside your phone, and this is how you edit. So back to the home page, if you go to race archive, because now it's past tense, you will go to my results, find the race that you're trying to edit, so click it, and then you can edit your results. Once you've clicked on that, you'll see what your start time was, what your finish time, your total time, and then you could just click this edit my own results thing, which is very fun. Make sure you select the lap, because sometimes you might have, say, a classic race that you did and maybe a skate race, so you'll need to click one or the other, and then down at the bottom you'll see edit time here, so you'll just click that then. So once you're inside of that and you're happy and you're going to change your race time, you just come down the bottom here and you punch in the numbers. So just once you've done punching in the numbers down here, click done, and that race time will edit. So a little piece here then, these are seconds, they're minutes, and they are hours, and that's just a point of a second there, in case you were wondering what the numerical structure is inside of WebScorer. So that's basically it. If you come back again, just keep coming back to the Coast Outdoors website. It's always a good website we think you should go to. And if you scroll to the bottom, you'll see we'll always have a video here explaining what the race is. There'll be a little diagram explaining where to go. We'll try to also have a variation of some of the laps where potentially we'll have a GoPro on and we'll switch it up on some weeks. For the first 2 weeks, it's a standard TNR lap, so you all know, or you should know what that is. If not, click this video, watch it, and then that'll inform you as to where to go. And that's another thing that I forgot to mention as well. So head over to YouTube. The Coast Outdoors channel, YouTube channel, is a simple name to remember there. It's just Coast Outdoors. If you subscribe to that and we release a video explaining what, say, week 3 or week 4 is, you'll get the notification, etc., etc., and you'll get it fresh off the press. And then finally, if you want to know if you beat anyone, you can click race results here and it should load that there. But to be honest with you, like all of this stuff, the race results and tinkering with your registrations and your race times, it can all be done in the mobile. So I encourage you to play around with the application and get used to it. But like I said, if in doubt, come back, come home, go to coastoutdoors.ca, come in here, and you'll find a new registration link for the next race in here, and you should find instructions on how to race and what you're racing here. Hope that helps everyone. Have a good race.